Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Gooten Print-on-Demand Network, my honest POD journey review. Gooten Print-on-Demand Network offers a platform for creators and entrepreneurs to sell custom-designed products without managing inventory or shipping. It connects users with a network of manufacturers who handle printing and fulfilling orders directly to customers. The target audience is anyone looking to start or scale a print-on-demand business, from individual artists to established brands. Key features include a wide product catalog, automated order processing, and integration with various e-commerce platforms. Their website provides details on the various product categories available, ranging from apparel and home goods to accessories and wall art. Gooten emphasizes its global network of manufacturers, promising faster shipping times and lower shipping costs. They highlight ease of use, particularly for integrating with popular platforms like Shopify and Etsy. While pricing details aren't directly advertised, they claim competitive rates and no hidden fees. They also emphasize the scalability of their platform, allowing businesses to grow without worrying about logistical bottlenecks. You can check out their website to explore their product catalog and learn more about their offerings. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Gooten Print-on-Demand Network. Getting started was relatively straightforward. Connecting my Shopify store was a breeze, and the platform guided me through the initial setup process. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and manage products. I uploaded a few designs for t-shirts and mugs to test the process. Creating product listings was simple, and I appreciated the built-in mock-up generator. In terms of performance, the order fulfillment was generally smooth. I placed a few test orders to assess the quality and shipping times. The print quality on the t-shirts and mugs was decent, though I noticed slight variations in color accuracy between different product types. Shipping times varied depending on the product and manufacturer, ranging from about a week to 2 weeks. I had a quick question about order tracking and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how easy it was to integrate Gooten with my existing online store. The standout feature for me was definitely the wide range of products available. One minor drawback was the lack of a comprehensive reporting dashboard to track sales and profits in real time. It also took a little while to get used to navigating the vast product catalog and finding the best suppliers for each product type. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Gooten. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs for a print-on-demand service. That's my overview of Gooten Print-on-Demand Network. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.